Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosalynn Monique, and today we will be making a homemade 7-Up pound cake using Divas Can Cook recipe. It's so moist, so delicious, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now we're going to take 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted, softened butter. You want to make sure everything is at room temperature. Now we're going to take a half cup of butter flavored shortening, and 3 cups of sugar. And once you get everything into the bowl, you want to just cream it together with a hand mixer. Okay, now we have 5 large eggs, and you just want to incorporate 1 egg at a time into our mixture. After our eggs are incorporated, you want to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and we're just going to fold it into our mixture. Now, according to the original recipe, she used the zest of 1 lemon and the zest of 1 lime and put it into the mixture after the lemon and vanilla extract. Feel free to do that if you choose. I just chose not to, but it still came out amazing. Now we're going to take 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm just using a sifter I have here. The all-purpose flour, the bag says it's pre-sifted, but I went ahead and sifted it using my sifter as well. So after adding 2 cups of flour, I went ahead and added 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And after I added that in, I'm going to go ahead and add the last cup of flour. Okay, so now you want to mix in 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And we're also adding 1 cup of 7-Up soda. Now you just want to mix all of this until it's well combined and the batter is fluffy. Now, as you can see, I have my greased bundt pan here, and I'm just going to take my cake batter and pour it inside. Okay, now for our glaze, we're going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar. Oops. And you'll also need 2 tablespoons of 7-Up. So I'm just taking a toothpick here, and as you can see, I'm just inserting it in until it comes out clean, and that's how you know your cake is ready. Alright y'all, so once this glaze hardens on this cake, it is so good. This cake was so moist, y'all. I kid you not, I made 2 over the weekend. So shout out again to Divas Can Cook. I have placed her recipe in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!